Hello, hello, lovely learners. Do you feel bored when you're learning English? It's okay. Many people feel like this. But today I will help you. I will tell you how to learn English in a fun way. Yay! You don't need to use a big textbook. You don't need to study grammar for hours. Let's make English fun. Do you like music? Listen to English songs. Try to understand the words. Sing with the song. Do you like movies or YouTube? Watch videos in English. Use English subtitles to help you. Do you use Instagram or TikTok? Follow English pages you enjoy. Watch short videos every day. Want to speak? Talk to yourself in English. You can say, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm going to work. I'm eating lunch. It's simple, but it helps a lot. When you enjoy what you do, you learn faster. So today, choose one fun thing in English. Music, movies, games, anything you like. Learning English can be fun, and you're doing a great job. Don't stop. You're getting better every day. See you next time, my friend.